Here are 10 mind-blowing facts about pet fish that'll totally surprise you. Fish are fascinating creatures that can bring joy to our lives for many years if we take proper care of them. They come in all shapes, sizes and colors, from tiny neon tetras to majestic angelfish. But did you know there's more to these aquatic pets than meets the eye? In this video, we'll share 10 surprising facts about pet fish that will make you look at them in a whole new way. Number 1. Fish recognize their owners. If you think your dog is the only one who recognizes you, think again. Fish have excellent visual memory and can recognize their owners just like dogs. In fact, they can distinguish between different people and react differently to each one. For example, some fish may become excited when they see their owner approaching the tank because they know it is feeding time. Others may be less enthusiastic but still recognize their owner's face. It's amazing how much fish can learn and adapt to their environment, including recognizing their favorite human. Number 2. Can be trained to swim through hoops. When it comes to training pet fish, the possibilities are endless. With patience and positive reinforcement, fish can be taught to perform tricks such as swimming through hoops. This may seem like a simple feat, but it requires the fish to associate the hoop with something positive, such as food or a friendly interaction with their owner. Once the fish makes the connection, they'll be more likely to swim through the hoop consistently. It's important to note that not all fish are suitable for this type of training, but with the right approach, many fish can learn to swim through hoops and other fun tricks. Number 3. Have long-term memory. Contrary to popular belief, fish do not have short-term memory. In fact, they can remember things for months. Researchers have conducted experiments showing that fish can remember the color, shape, and location of objects for extended periods. This means that your fish can recognize you and associate certain objects with feeding time or playtime. Some fish can even be taught to navigate mazes and remember the route to a reward. Their memory is truly impressive and essential for their survival in the wild. Number 4. Some fish sleep with eyes open. If you're a light sleeper, you might be surprised to learn that some fish can sleep with their eyes open. It's true. Certain species of fish, such as goldfish and guppies, can rest without closing their eyes. However, they do have a special adaptation that allows them to get some shut-eye during the day. Their eyelids have a transparent membrane that acts as a protective barrier while still allowing them to see their surroundings. This is unlike mammals who typically close their eyes when they sleep to protect them from injury. So next time you look at your sleeping fish, pay attention to whether they have their eyes open or closed. Number 5. Goldfish don't actually have short memory. Goldfish are often the butt of the joke when it comes to intelligence, with people saying they have a memory span of only a few seconds. But this couldn't be further from the truth. In fact, goldfish have an excellent memory and can remember things for months. Studies have shown that goldfish can learn to navigate mazes and remember the location of food. They can also be trained to recognize their owners and respond to their presence. So the next time someone tells you a goldfish has a short memory, be sure to correct them. Number 6. Can sense fear in other fish. Fish can pick up on the emotions of their fellow aquatic friends through their behavior and physiology. When a fish is scared or stressed, its body releases chemicals that can be detected by other fish, triggering a response in them. This means that a scared fish can alert its tank mates that danger is near, causing them to seek shelter or take other evasive actions. This ability to sense fear in others is crucial for the survival of fish in the wild as it allows them to avoid predators or other threats. Number 7. Use color to communicate their mood. Fish have their own way of communicating with each other through body language, and color plays a big role in this. Depending on their mood, fish can change the color of their scales or fins to communicate with others. For example, some fish may turn bright red when they're angry or aggressive, while others may become pale or lose their color when they're sick or stressed. By paying attention to the color of your fish, you can get a sense of how they're feeling and whether they need help. Number 8. Talk using sound waves. Yes, fish can talk to each other using sound waves, although the conversation may not be as complex as human speech. Different species of fish produce different sounds, which can convey various messages depending on the context. For example, some fish grunt or make a clicking noise when courting a potential mate, while others produce loud noises to defend their territory. These sounds are produced by specialized organs or structures in the fish's head or body, and they can travel through the water to reach other fish. Number 9. See more colors than humans. Humans can see a wide range of colors, but it turns out that some fish can see even more. Certain species of fish, such as goldfish and guppies, can see colors beyond the visible spectrum, including ultraviolet and infrared light. This means that the world looks very different to them than it does to us. They can see things that are invisible to the human eye, such as the UV barbies on a potential mate or the infrared signature of a predator. This ability to see beyond the visible spectrum gives fish a unique perspective on the world around them. Number 10. Some form social bonds. It's no secret that dogs are capable of forming strong social bonds with their human companions. But did you know that some fish can form similar bonds with their owners? It's true. Some species of fish, such as cichlids and bettas, can develop a preference for their owners and even become territorial if they feel that their owner is being threatened. They can also exhibit signs of affection, such as swimming up to the glass to greet their owner or following them around the tank. These social bonds are formed through positive interactions with their owner, such as feeding time or when they're being trained to perform tricks. With their fascinating behaviors and stunning beauty, it's easy to see why so many people are drawn to keeping fish as pets. So the next time you look at your fish tank, take a moment to appreciate the amazing creatures that you're lucky enough to have in your home. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a like and comment below with any suggestions for future videos you would like to see. We look forward to seeing you in the next one.